Good morning, students. We welcoming in our online lecture MVM College of Commerce, Management and IT, Rajkot, Saurashtra University. BCom SEM 6 students. Subject Business Mathematics and Statistics 2. Lecture number 5. Unit number 3, Sampling. Methods of sampling. There are main 3 methods of sampling: simple random sampling, stratified random sampling and systematic random sampling. We are discuss about our second method, stratified random sampling. In the stratified random sampling there are the 2 different method number 3 and method number 4. We were discuss about the method number 3 in our previous lecture. If you are not watching, then watch first lecture number 4 and then after you are calculate lecture number 5. In the lecture number 5 we are discuss today method number 4, variance of the stratified random sample. If the population is divided into k strata and y bar st is stratified mean, the variance of y bar st is found out by the following formula. So remember the students, first of all the formula. We are applying this formula: v of y bar st is equal to 1 upon n square into the bracket capital N1 small bracket માં capital N1 minus small n1 upon માં small n1 into s1 square, then plus capital N2 into capital N2 minus small n2 upon small n2 into s2 square. This is formula is a variance of the stratified random sample, and in the examination it is very important, very important. Exam માં આ મેથડ પૂછાવાના ચાન્સ મેક્સિમમ છે. So you are calculate carefully and fully practice for this method. Okay, now we are calculate today 2 questions. First question number 1. First of all you write the questions, because when you calculate the questions first you write the question is number of students 50 and 150, then average marks is 32 and 38, and stratum variance 20 and 25. Variance means s square. And here the find overall mean marks of the students if 10% sample is drawn. 10% sample means we are finding small n1 and small n2. The fully question is the students of standard 12 science of a school are divided into 2 strata, and the information regarding this stratum is as follows: number of students 50 and 150, average marks and stratum variance, and find overall mean of the marks. Here the question is overall mean means y bar st. It is our method number 3. So I think all of you know the method number 3. Here this data 50 is equal to capital N1 and 150 is equal to capital N2. Average marks means y bar 1 and 38, it is given to y bar 2, and this one is s1 square 20 and s2 square is 25. And here the small n1, here the given 10%, so 10% of 50, so you get it, the small n1 is 5 and small n2 is equal to 15, 10% of capital N2, so you get it, the answer is 15. So this is your final symbol. Always first you write the symbol when the given question, so your question calculate easily. Now write down your symbol in your notebook. After that, you applying the formula first, y bar st, capital N1 y bar 1 plus capital N2 y bar 2 upon capital N1 plus capital N2. Here the capital N1 was given 50 and y bar 1 was given 32 plus capital N2 was given 150 and y bar 2 was given 38. Then 50 plus 150, 50 into 32, so your answer is 1600. Then 150 into 38, 5700, divide by 200. Your answer is 7300. Then divide by 200. So you got it. Your answer is 36.5 y bar st. તમને ક્વેશ્ચનમાં ફાઇન કરવાનું કીધું છે ફૂલ મીન મીન્સ વાય બાર એસટી, એટલે અહીંયા આ ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછાશે ત્યારે બંને વસ્તુ ફાઇન કરવાની હશે, મેથડ 3 એન્ડ મેથડ 4. Clear? Now we apply the formula y bar st, v y bar st. First you write the formula 1 upon n square into the bracket capital N1 minus small n1 upon small n1 into s1 square plus capital N2 minus small n2 upon small n2 into s2 square. After that, here capital N means 200, capital N1 plus capital N2, it is called for capital N. So here the capital N is equal to 50, N1 is equal to 50 and capital N2 is equal to 150. So capital N is equal to 200 and 200 square into the bracket capital N1 means 50, bracket 50 minus small n1 is 5 upon small n1 is 5, then multiply s1 square 20, then plus capital N2 150, in the capital N1 capital N2 150 minus 15 upon 15 into s2 square 25. After that, 1 upon 200 square is 40,000 into the bracket 50 multiply 45 multiply 20, then divide by 5. 3 value nu multiplication 50 into 50 minus 5 means 45 into 20, then divide by 5. 150 minus 15, so 135 into 25, then divide by 15. After that, into the bracket we are find the one figure 50 multiply 45 multiply 20 and then divide by 5, so you get it, the answer is 9,000. Next, 150 into 135 into 25 and then divide by 15, you get it, the answer 33,750. After that, the sum of these two value 33,750 plus 9,000, so you get the answer 42750, then divide by 40,000 and then divide by 40,000, your final answer will be 1.06875. This is your final answer. Also you write the 2 digit 1.07 લખો તો પણ ચાલે, યા 1.06875. ધ્યાનથી એક વખત બધા સ્ટેપ પરફેક્ટલી જોઈ લ્યો, ક્યાંય કાંઈ ન સમજાય તો તમે મને પછી પૂછી શકો છો. Clear that? Now the second questions, the students of standard 11 science of a school are divided into 3 strata and the information regarding this stratum is as follows. So number of students, average marks, stratum variance, find the overall mean. Overall mean means y bar st, and all the students, the stratum is given 10 6 3. It is called for small n1 is equal to 10, small n2 is equal to 6 and a small n3 is equal to 3, and this one is capital N1, capital N2 and capital N3. This is y bar 1, y bar 2, y bar 3, and this one is s1 square, s2 square and s3 square. Okay, now you calculate the question from this data. જસ્ટ ઓક્ટોબર 2001માં પૂછાયેલો ક્વેશ્ચન છે. તમે ટ્રાય કરો જોઈ ક્વેશ્ચનની અંદર કે વાય બાર એસટી અને વી વાય બાર એસટીનો શું આન્સર આવે છે. બરાબર, ટ્રાય કરી જુઓ. પછી હું તમને આન્સર આપું છું કે શું આન્સર આમાં આવવો જોઈએ. Okay, if you calculate these questions, your answer is y bar ST નો આન્સર આવશે 7.5 and V of y bar ST, your answer is 0.4905 answer આવશે. Okay, so you are easily calculate this method. Again, homework of this method in the exercise question number 3, 4, 11. Okay, thank you.